Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I have another Dollar Tree haul coming at you guys, and if you have missed any of my hauls, you can just check out my playlist because I do these pretty much every week or every other week because I'm always at Dollar Tree. And if you guys don't know, I also have an Instagram. It is linked in my description box. It is at Dollar Tree Dolly, and I post on there all the time if you guys want to keep up daily with me on stories or anything I'm finding like in the moment. You will see on my Instagram page. So let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys like these types of videos. Turn on the notification bell, and I will show you guys what I picked up at Dollar Tree recently because there's so much good stuff. Okay, where to begin? I found this hand lotion, and this is a name brand. It's called Essentials. Little play on words, very cute. This is 100% vegan, clean formula, a beautiful lightweight moisturizer. I just said that weird. Light moisturizer from nature. The scent is black cherry and vanilla orchid. So I figured that we could like try this out together. Look at the bottle, you guys. It looks like a little genie bottle. So I wanted to like kind of test this out on camera. I didn't test it myself yet, but who can never use a hand cream? Oh my gosh, it's like a very kind of like liquidy formula, which I'm not used to. I'm used to more of like a thicker bit of a hand cream. The smell is very light. I hope I'm smelling this correctly because I literally just got some of my scent back after losing my taste and my scent. So I'm hoping I'm smelling this properly. From what I can smell, I don't love the scent of it. Like, it doesn't smell that good, but again, I don't know if my smell is skewed. But like, I don't even really smell, I don't know, I don't smell vanilla, and I feel like I don't smell cherry. It's kind of weird, but I like the way that my hands feel. Like, my hands feel very moisturized after using it. So no, I don't know how to feel about this. It's interesting. Like, it's a cute little bottle. I like the formula. Ingredients look really good. Oh, look what's in here. Shea butter, soybean oil, safflower seed oil, and sunflower oil. Those are like the main kind of moisturizing ingredients. It is a 98% biodegradable formula and 100% natural alcohol derived from sugar cane, 100% free from synthetic dyes, 100% paraben free. So, and it says 97% derived directly from nature. So I really like everything like about this lotion. And honestly, like, the scent really isn't that big of a deal because you can't really smell it afterwards anyway. So I like this. A little pump in here. I almost missed this. Let me see if I can take this out because I was wondering, why is there no pump? And there you go. Cute little pump. I got 2 DVDs, which is like so funny because the reason that I like the DVDs is because in case your favorite like movie or show ever goes off streaming, having a DVD actually isn't a bad idea because you have a backup of it. So I found 2 movies that I was interested in. The first one being my absolute favorite, you guys, A Cinderella Story on DVD with Hilary Duff and Chad Michael Murray. This is like one of my favorite movies ever. I even saw this in theaters. I watch this movie all the time, so I had to snag this because there's also like special features. Like, this is the literal like actual DVD, so it's not like a fake or anything like that. So it says it has additional scenes. It has a music video with Hilary and Haley Duff. It says cast commentary, screen test, Cinderella Couture, the making of a modern fairy tale, and then there's like a trailer and like a little challenge. So they have cute stuff on here, and like I like that kind of stuff, so I wanna watch like the additional features. And I just figured, since I love this movie so much, I know it is streaming, but it's just nice to have it also on DVD. So I was so excited about this. This next one was also a pretty cool find. I just watched like the first parts of this like a few months ago. So this is the final part of the Twilight Saga. I think this is the 4th one. I think it's the 4th one, but it's part 2. Like, there's the part 1 of the final movie, and then this is the part 2, I think, like after Renesmee's born or whatever. So I don't know if I've seen this, and that's why I picked it up, because I was like, oh, I don't know if I've seen this one before, or maybe I have, I just can't remember. So I was like, you know what, let me just buy it and like watch it. So there's a 7-part making of the documentary, part 1 and part 2, and they made them, it says back to back. Okay, there's audio commentary, and that seems to be like the main features, little extras on here. So I just thought this was really cool. And a lot of people were asking me if this is also in Spanish, which I think it might be, because they do have like the Spanish language on here too, which is cool. So I like never know what DVDs I'm gonna find at Dollar Tree. That's why I just always kind of scroll through and look at all the titles. Like I look at the top part right here, and that's how I find stuff. So just look through them all and see if there's anything you're interested in. I also found How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, which was a really great find as well. You know, my hair clip obsession knows no bounds, okay? So I found the cutest pearl clip. This one I thought was so cute because I like that the inside was just kind of like transparent, and then you just have the pearls. I don't know why, I just thought that was so pretty, and I'm very excited to wear this. I love hair clips. I usually always have my hair like pulled back like on this side because I just think it looks really pretty and flattering. So I'm always like picking up these little clips, and I just love this one. Let's do a little lash haul. So I picked up these really pretty LA Colors lashes. I was kind of just looking at them and I'm like, these are really pretty. So this is called Jewel Eyes. I will bring it closer so you guys can see. And I just thought they looked so nice. The band was not thick. I liked the cat eye look, the spikiness of it. Also on that eyelash trend, I found the Ioni Everlasting Lash Glue 2-in-1 pen. So I actually had this, and I have tried it before, but mine was pink. So I saw this one in black, and I was like, is this different than the pink one? I don't know, because I wasn't like very impressed with the first one because I didn't feel like it was like sticky enough. Like it didn't give anything enough for my lash to hold onto. So if you're gonna, I could try it again, $1.25 whatever, and see how this one is. It's a lash glue and a black felt tip liner in one. So it's kind of like a base, like a magnetic base for your lashes. You don't have to use lash glue. You can just pop the lash right on, which is so cool. Like I think that's one of the coolest things that has come out for lashes. But I always put glue on the ends. If you guys watch my tutorials, you know that, because I just like to make sure the ends are secure. So I'm thinking I could try these together and see how they are. These definitely go with that. These are the white version of the heart sunglasses. I can't resist these. Like anytime I see a new color, I have to buy them because they're just so cute, especially for the summer. And I also had the pink ones that I had said bride. Remember, I had to like scratch it off, and I had like this little scratch on the side. These do not say bride or anything, which actually is surprising because they are like white. But I was so happy there was no writing, so I will put them on for you guys. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? I love the white. I think I actually might like the white more than the black ones because it just pops and it's like so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear these this summer at the beach. These would be really fun also for a vacation. I love them. I love them so much. And I think these are like a lot more on Amazon too, so definitely get these at Dollar Tree. Okay, here's another pair of sunglasses I found, and I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, these are like Y2K vibes, like very that kind of style. So I tried them on and I was like, oh, they're cute. And then I tried them on at home and I was like, I don't know, like I don't love them. They're more for me like a look, like for an outfit. Like I wouldn't wear them as like an everyday sunglasses. So here's what they look like. They do have a pink tint, which is so cute. They're actually a little dusty. So I wore these with an outfit and I was like, okay, they're not like my favorite sunglasses on me. I feel like I look like Elton John or something. Like it's really not. But you know what's cool about them is that they like tint everything pink when you're looking. So it's actually really cool. Like they're fun to wear, but again, not like an everyday for me because they're not, I don't think that they're really flattering on my face. It's more like if I was doing like a look for like a photo shoot for like my Instagram or something, then I would pop these on. They're hair fine. I love these little clips that I found. So these are actually the clips you wear when you're like doing your makeup and you want to put your hair back but you don't want to get a crease. These are the pins and they're so cute because they're like outlined in tan, and I just love the look of these, and I use these all the time. Like I used to always wear headbands, but now I just like really wear these types of clips when I'm getting ready, and I just love them. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They looked very chic. Something about the color scheme. I've already seen them at 2 stores. I think they're so pretty. I found this in the nail area and I thought this was so cool. It's this chrome nail powder and it's like a silver chrome. Now this, you have to wear it with gel polish. I'm actually wearing gel right now. I was debating doing it, but I just wanted something like pink. so that's why I didn't do it. But this is so fun. If you guys have ever seen people use these, like they take the little applicator, like eyeshadow applicator, and they rub it on the nail and it just like comes out this like pure metal looking color, like the little picture shows. I'm very curious to try this and see what it looks like. So it says that you have to cure the top coat, use the applicator to apply a small amount of the chrome powder, buff it in, and repeat. Use a brush to remove the residual powder, and then you apply top coat and cure. So you have to apply top coat 2 times. Interesting and something different. Like I haven't seen something like this before at Dollar Tree. Okay, let's do 2 Valentine's Day finds, and these are so cute. So I found this silicone hearts baking tray. What would you call this? Little baking mold, I guess you would call it. It's a little, I would definitely say it's a little flimsy. Like you can kind of see it's like, you know, it's a little flimsy. It's not like the thick ones, but I thought this would be kind of neat to use in the air fryer. I'm scared to use something like this in the oven because it just seems, like I said, a little flimsy. But maybe at a lower temperature in the air fryer, I would feel safer using this. So I thought it would be fun for maybe like egg muffins or regular muffins. So cute. And you have 6 little slots here. I thought that was super fun. It's interesting. I had not seen these at every Dollar Tree. Like I had only seen them at one location so far. So every store is going to have different Valentine's Day stuff because I've seen other people find stuff and I'm like, I haven't found that yet, and I've been to so many stores. And I found this last night at another location I went to. This is, well, they're calling it a chocolate mold. So it could be many things. It could be a chocolate mold. It's so fun. It has little hearts. It can be an ice mold, which is what I usually use it for, or you can do like wax melts. There's so many different things you can use these for, and I've actually seen people do like different shaped ice cubes for different things. Like some people make coffee ice cubes and they make those hearts, and then they'll have like matcha ice balls that'll be a different like design. So I thought that was really fun and very extra. I don't know if I could ever do that, but I admire the people who do stuff like that. I'm very excited to see that they came out with these bubble candles in neutral colors because I had previously only been able to find like blue and purple, which are really cute, but I just wanted like a plain one, and this is actually scented vanilla. Now I don't think I'm actually going to light this. I think it's just going to be more decor for me. But the bubble candles have been really trendy. Like people usually put them on top of like book stacks, and I guess it's more like for a modern home design or home decor, but they're just so fun and I don't know, they're just cute. So I got 2 of the Be Pure launches. So this is a glitter liquid shadow in like a white color, and I actually at first thought it was a loose glitter, but it's a liquid. I didn't see where it said liquid. So I thought this was really fun because I could definitely use this on my eye or like my inner corner. And then I also picked up the shimmer lip gloss, which looked really pretty. So this is like, let's actually open this up and see because I think it's like a pink color. Ooh, it's a really pretty pink. It actually has a little bit of like color to it as well. Like it's not completely clear, which makes me happy. You guys will be able to see because all my lights will probably wash it out, but that's pretty. Really giving me like a Stila kind of vibes with this. Ooh, you know, it's actually a little bit silver. I thought it was purely white, but yeah, I see a little bit of silver. So there is the shimmery eyeshadow. That is so fun. I found a new foundation as well at Dollar Tree, and I don't know like how this is gonna be. I'm gonna have to of course try it out, but it's called, the brand is called Le Merciere. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's like this very small little tube, and it is 0.34 fluid ounces. So this is the long wear. It's in the shade light medium number 105. So it says it's made by a brand called K7 from Brooklyn. Don't really know. I've never seen them before, but I saw the display and I was like, you know what? I need a new foundation to try in my Dollar Tree makeup tutorials. So I was just like, I'm going to try it out. There's some like air bubbles in the foundation, which I don't know if that's like a cause for concern, but we're going to try this out together and see how it is. The ingredients don't look that bad from what I can gather, but we're gonna see how this works, so stay tuned, you guys. So if you guys have been at Dollar Tree recently, you probably know that LA Colors came out with a lot of new products, a lot of reformulated products. So I have been picking out ones that I like that I want to try. So they had this really pretty lip gloss called Happiness is the shade, and it's like a pink with sparkles. I just thought that would be fun to test out. And this is cruelty free and paraben free, and it has vitamin E. Saw this blush and I thought it looked so much like that pink Dior blush that everyone has been going crazy for. I'm sure you guys know which one I'm talking about. It's like that bright pink blush. This one, it might be a touch more bright pink, but I still thought it might be interesting to see like if it was a dupe or not. So here's what it looks like, and I just thought this would be so pretty for like those kind of doll-like cheeks. Called Sweet Cheeks is the name, which I thought was really cute. So it's paraben free, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. I'm very excited to try this, but also what I like about it is that it's matte. There's no shimmer in this, because a lot of the LA Colors stuff can be like heavy on like the chunky glitter, which isn't always the most flattering, especially if you have larger pores. So I hope you guys can find this, because this is really nice. So we'll be trying this out, and I'm gonna go ahead and assume that we will not need a lot of this, because I know it's gonna be like one of those like one touch on the cheeks and you're good, because it's probably super pigmented. I also saw they had this new lipstick called the Hydrating Lipstick, and it has vitamin E and aloe vera. Now you guys know I am in love with the LA Colors Nude Glam lipsticks. I use those all the time. Pink, what is it? Pink Teddy. And then the other one, no, it's Oh Teddy and Pinky Swear. I almost forgot the names, or I mixed them up. I use those two lipsticks all the time. I have backups of them because they're my favorite. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I have to try this out. But now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if it's like metallic or not. I can't tell, because the picture on the packaging, it's showing these like metallic lips. I really hope it's not, because I do not like the metallic lipstick look. So I'm gonna have to test it and see what it actually looks like, because the actual color itself looks like a pretty kind of like nude, but if it's metallic, then it's gonna be a no-go, but we will see. Makeup basket that I have of my Dollar Tree stuff is literally like on the floor overflowing. Also got this brand, which if you guys can find this brand, they have amazing reviews, and it's actually sold at Target. So somehow it ended up at Dollar Tree, which of course is like so cool, because we get it for less. So I got this 2-pack. However, it will probably be harder to find a 2-pack, because at Dollar Tree, the associates like will open it and break it up. So if you can though find a 2-pack, you're getting a great deal. So I figured, I don't really use these like, well, did I even tell you guys what this was? It's called Soft and Smooth Exfoliating Polish. It has almond milk and safflower. It buffs away dead skin cells, and it's formulated for normal to dry skin, 95% natural. So I figured, like, I don't really use these exfoliating scrubs on my face that much, but I figured I could use it in the shower. I love using like a body scrub. They list out all the ingredients, which I think is really cool. Like, they're very transparent, and they tell you what each is. So like what the ingredient is, and then right next to it they list it out, so it's really easy for you to see. So like betaine, they put sugar beet, they tell you what's like the plants portion. So I thought that was really cool, because people always say like you can't find good skincare at Dollar Tree, or like stuff that doesn't have bad ingredients, but you actually can find good stuff. So this is the brand. It's called Ami, A-M-I-E. This has been popping up at a lot of different Dollar Trees, and they have moisturizers, they have toners. I would have gotten more stuff from the line, but a lot of it has the niacinamide in it, which breaks me out. As you guys know, I'm like a broken record saying that, so I can't really use anything with niacinamide, but a lot of people do love that ingredient. Okay, guys, so that is it for today's haul. I feel like there was so much good stuff this week, and I had so much fun sharing with you everything that I found. Please comment down below and let me know if you picked up any of the same stuff that I did, or if there was anything fun or like an amazing product recently that you found at Dollar Tree that you want me to try. Definitely let me know in the comments so I can go look for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.